Paano kung yung Airbnb guest mo ang nagbabayad ng monthly amortization ng kondo mo? Hindi to sales talk, totoong option to dito sa Imus, Cavite. Introducing the Terraces Tradiso Enclave. Ready for occupancy condo na pwede mong lipatan o paupahan agad once approved. Meron kaming available units na studio, 1-bedroom unit at 2-bedroom unit. Complete turnover na and perfect for Airbnb or long-term rental. At ang ganda pa ng promo ngayon, dahil no down payment na, may free parking pa sa kahit anong unit. At 10,000 reservation fee lang at 26,000 processing fee ang need mong bayaran. And monthly amortization starts at 20,269 pesos monthly via Pag-ibig Financing. Located in Imus, Cavite, malapit sa malls at major developments, kaya mataas ang rental demand. Ang maganda dito, hindi ka na maghihintay ng ilang taon. Ready na ang unit, once approved, pwede mo na siyang ipa-Airbnb at gamitin ang rental income to help pay your monthly amortization. Legit ang no down payment, hindi pre-selling, hindi drawing. Message me now to check availability and qualification. Limited units lang to. Kung gusto mong kumita habang nagbabayad, this is for you. And let's see kung ikaw na yung next na matutulungan namin magka-kondo.